In this video I want to show you how you could grab screenshots of web pages, parts of videos and things like that to pull into your workspace and actually annotate and do things with them afterwards. And what you have in the workspace, it will either be in your toolbox or if you put it onto your shortcut toolbar, is the capture tool. And the capture tool allows you to just grab bits of your screen. Now the important thing to remember when you're doing this is, one, to have an empty whiteboard page here ready for you, and then to make sure that you are actually displaying the video or web page that you want to see as your page. So I'm going to pop onto here, and all I've been doing is playing a YouTube video, and in this case it's about high jumping, and I want to be able to discuss this in class as a technique and how they're actually doing things. So with the video here, I've paused the video so I've got a still of it, and then I'm going to just grab my capture tool, say I'd like a partial screen please, and what I can do then is just grab that part of the picture, and you'll see it will automatically put the picture in there for you. I'm going to go back to that page and I'm going to play it again, and now I'm going to pause it at another point. Now I do admit this is a rather blurry picture in this case. We might be better actually displaying it on the screen like this. I'm going to take it back a little bit. We can play. We're watching the video in class, paused it, then I can go back to my capture tool, grab partial, take that part of the page that I want, and it will put it in there for me. So now I've grabbed a couple of screenshots from a playing video, and at this point we can now use annotation tools to actually discuss different parts of the run-up, what people's positions are, what they're actually doing, and that way we're watching a video, but we can also discuss the technique. We can break the video up so we're not just sitting there watching it, so we can actually grab bits of videos when we pause them and we can actually put it in there. Likewise, we could do something like do a capture of maybe part of our desktop if we want to discuss that later, and again it's pop that screenshot onto the page for us, and again we can actually discuss that. So those are just different ways of using the screen capture tool to take either desktop, web page images or stills of video that we're running, so that we can actually store them and discuss them in class.